Hey guys, welcome back, and this video is all about 5 minutes makeup, and this is my go-to kind of makeup, and this would definitely make you look ravishing, especially when you're planning to go for a vacation or planning to take photos, something like that. And this is extremely simple, guys. All you need are some very few products and you'll be loving this. You wouldn't need any makeup tools or you wouldn't need any brushes. All you need is your fingers to blend and you'll be just looking amazing. And if you're really excited to know how I create this, stay tuned. Firstly, I'm using this product from Lakme. This is Lakme Absolute Skin Gloss Gel. And guys, if you've been watching my channel, you'd know like how I'm obsessed with this product recently, and I'm just loving this. This gel is a great moisturizer, and above that, this acts as an excellent base for your makeup, and this gives a glossy kind of finish, and you'll be just loving this product, guys. This is amazing. Next, I'm using the foundation from NYX Total Control Drops, and this is a medium coverage foundation, guys. From light to medium coverage foundation. This is not a high coverage foundation, so absolutely dark spots. If you have a lot of dark spots, it's gonna be visible, and that's absolutely fine, guys. And for a go-to kind of look, even if your dark spots are visible, that's absolutely fine. And I'm just layering up with two coats of this product, and that gives the medium coverage. If you're Above all, I just love the natural finish that you get through this foundation. It's not gonna be looking like you applied a lot of foundation on your face, and this is just great. Like it gives the natural finish. So that's what I like more about this product. And after this, I'm just taking the Lakme's 9 to 5 compact powder and just setting this all over my face. I'm just dabbing this all over my face just to set the foundation. And then I'm taking the lipstick from again Lakme, and this is kind of a brick red, and over this, I'm just topping up a nude shade from CoverGirl just to lighten up the darkness of the red. So to make it light, I'm just topping up with a nude shade. And I'm very lightly filling my eyebrows with Wet n Wild brow pencil. And I'm not doing any eye makeup here because I'm going to be wearing my coolers. This is perfectly fine for me, guys. I'm sure you'd love this look. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to subscribe. And with lots of love, this is Brindha signing off. Bye bye.